Greetings, 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 and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, a special welcome to you. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 14, from verse 25 to verse 27. One big crowd did a walk with Jesus. Him turned to them and said, if somebody come to me and not love me more than all them love them father and mother, wife and picnic, brother and sister, even them own a life, them can't follow me. Anybody when a carry him cross and come with me, can't turn one of my follower them. A God was this. Thank God.